Baby. Yes, lime and coconut. Bring them over here, babe, so you can see it by itself.
It's in the camera. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm a bad cameraman.
No, you're not, babe. Don't say that. So,
I guess I'm being able to that.
Today we're making our new flavor. It's lime and coconut. Can you get through?
Yeah.
It's lime and coconut. And they're red, gold, and green. We're why am I having a hard time with that word? We're commemorating my 9-year anniversary of moving to Jamaica. And then yesterday was my 10-year anniversary of visiting Jamaica for the first time. Yes. Let me see what they say. Lime and coconut. Ooh, yes. Yes. So today, with every order of $10 or more, you're going to get one of these, whether you want one or not.
Okay.
So yeah, we're going to send these out just as a celebration today. And then we're going to make them, we're going to have them on the actual site for sale as soon as I take the pictures and load them up on the site. So be patient with us. But if you want to get one for free today, just order and you'll get one. So you can go to www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com. The link is all over the place, in our bio, all that. She says she received her boxes. Yes, Alicia. Did you like them? Were they good? Yes, girl. I'm going to be giving some calls today to follow up to see how you guys like those Mother's Day boxes and what was your mother's reactions and how you're loving the product. And if you guys have any questions on how to use our products, you can always call us. Okay, so our phone number is all over the place. I'm going to do this one different. Red, gold,
Green.
and green. Yeah. Let's see how that turns out. So yeah, we're excited. What she say? Have an awesome day, Jessica and Nigel. Got it right. Okay, Carla.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us live today.
Yeah.
Today we're making lime and coconut bath bombs. And of course, to celebrate Jamaica, we made them red, gold, and green.
Celebrate you moving to Jamaica.
Ooh,
Wow.
that's
Yeah.
cute. That's cute, but too much red.
Yeah.
Too much red. So I'm going to go just a little bit.
No, do the same amount of red. Or
No,
a little
it's
bit
too
more.
much
Yeah,
red.
just do a little more gold.
Yeah.
One more, a little bit more. Yeah.
Okay. And then the green.
Not enough though.
It's not enough.
So a little red. A little gold. You can put a little bit more gold. Yeah. Top it off with some green, perfect.
Ta-da! We have a really good time. These bath bombs are all natural. They're made with baking soda, cornstarch, citric acid, and essential oil for the fragrance. And then, of course, they're loaded with Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, so you don't have to worry about putting on lotion afterwards. Let's see how this one comes out.
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty.
Pretty. Looking good, Jessica.
Thank you, babe. Thank you. You encouraged me so much with my bath bombs. Because we weren't making these back in 2012. These would be a little hard to make in Jamaica because they're real sensitive. The mix is very sensitive to heat. Yeah, so In fact, we're only going to be in here for a little bit longer because it's going to get too hot in here and the mix will clump up. So,
seems like it's already started.
Yeah, no, we're going to have to fluff it. Fluff! We have to fluff it. So they're all handcrafted. We have some surprises on the horizon. Boom.
Cool.
Oh, that one is fire. Who's getting that one? Okay, so let's just fluff up this mix. And we gotta move fast. So today, with every single order over $10, you are gonna get one of these bath bombs, and then we're gonna have them on the site. We just have to make them, take our pictures, and then we'll put them on the actual site. Okay. All right, what else is going on out there? Everybody okay? I know LA got an extended stay-at-home order. I refuse to call it a lockdown because, do you have chains on?
Nope.
Me neither. We're not on lockdown. There's no lockdown. There's a stay-at-home so we can stay healthy order. Okay, no lockdown. And we just gotta make the best of it, guys, until it all works out. Oh, that one's cute.
Yeah.
That one's cute.
Sweet.
So yeah, we're here, and you know, everybody's business, everything has changed. You know, we all are facing a change that no one expected, but
I have never really seen before in this time.
yeah, we've never seen before at all, ever in this time. So we're all together. We're in this together. Oh my God, it smells so good.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
We're all in this together. You know, it's not like it's just you and your family or just me and my family. We all are facing
The same thing.
the same thing. You know, we're all in the same boat. Maybe in different parts of the boat.
I would say in the same ship. Because
In the same ship,
you can look at it
yeah.
as the planet.
Yeah.
As the ship, you know.
Yeah.
And we're all here on the planet, so, you know.
And we
we're
might
all
be.
facing the same thing, so we just gotta do what we gotta do, and, you know.
That
This
one
too
is
shall
fire.
pass. Yes, that's beautiful.
Yeah, we have to do what we have to do. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to take care of each other. Take care of our community, and in turn take care of our world, because we're in this together.
Sure.
We're not alone. We're in this together, and we just have to reframe our conversation. Lockdown? No. Home at the palace?
Yes.
Yes. So we've
It's
just...
all about your perception and how you look on things. You know, because the bad situation, we can look at it in a positive way to make it positive. You know, or we can just, you know, we can look at it in the bad way that it is, and then, you know, get even more worried, which that doesn't help anything.
Nope,
you know?
not at all.
Yeah. So we just, you know, stay safe and, you know, keep it positive, and hopefully, you know, we'll be all right soon.
Oh, that one is really pretty.
Yes.
That one's getting the picture taken.
Yes. Pretty, Jessica, pretty.
Thank you, babe. So yeah, we're all in this together, and we just gotta take it day by day and just have the right perspective and know that we're not alone. We're not alone.
God is good, you know?
God is good all the time. Yes, and I think this situation has caused people to be a little more conscious of, you know, the blessings that they have, you know? I mean, when everything shut down, it was just like, boom, you had what you had. You were where you were. So it's like, okay, you have to just sit still and just give thanks, you know, that, okay, I'm right here right now, and I'm just going to sit still until this passes. And sitting still doesn't mean like, you know, not doing anything, because I find that
there's a lot you can still do.
There's a lot you can still do. And I find that whenever I'm creating, I'm happy. When I'm happy, I'm creating. So that's just personally me. Whenever I'm not doing anything, the misery seems to seep in, right? It can seep in through those little holes in my mind. So just try to just stay positive, keep hope, but be realistic. Know the information, you know? Know the information, like, in past, like, posts. So, don't be sending me no more of those, you must read this, you must pass this along. No, I must not. You wouldn't want to hear me, what I say whenever I see those. No, call me. Don't send me anything. Call me. Call me. Call me. Even on Facebook, call me. Hit me up. Let me see some face. Give me some voice. I don't want to see any chain letters, you know what? I send back our website whenever people send me the chain letters, because I can't take it.
Yeah,
I can't. It's like 10 different people send me the same chain letter, and it's like, you must read this. Half of it is viruses, you know, and it's like, no, just hit me up. What's up? We're here. You here. You there.
We ain't going nowhere.
We ain't going nowhere for right now. Here, let's pull this curtain, because I see it's causing a little problem with our lighting. Yeah. So today we're making coconut and lime bath bombs. That's our new flavor. Yes. Kicking a new flavor in your ear. We're kicking a new flavor in your ear. And today, for every order over $10, we are sending you one of these for free to celebrate 10 years. Can you imagine? 10 years ago, I decided to go to Jamaica for the first time.
What made you decide?
I had a dream. I had a dream. No, for real. For real, I had a dream. And And that morning I woke up. My friend Tammy had spent the night. And I woke up and I was telling Tammy, I was like, hey, yo, I'm going to Jamaica. The spirit told me to go to Jamaica. And she was like, Jamaica? I was like, yeah, the spirit just, in my sleep, the spirit told me I need to go to Jamaica. So I went online. I found a trip for $500, including airfare and hotel for 4 nights from California. And I said, all right, if we get paid today, I'm pulling the trigger. We were an artist then, multi-level marketing, network marketing, whatever you want to call it. It was the bomb. We helped you drop 3 sizes in 10 minutes with no diet, surgery, exercise, or pills. Whoa, you remember too.
Yeah, I remember.
So yeah, I said, okay, if I get paid today, I'm going. But the problem was, it was Mother's Day weekend. So usually on Mother's Day, me, my mom, and my sister, we have a little boondoggle and we go out. So I asked my mom, I was like, Mommy, do you mind, like, if I go to Jamaica this weekend instead of going on our Mother's Day little, you know, we were gonna go, I think we were going to Pachanga or something. She was like, girl, no, you need to go. go to Jamaica. And she's like, who are you going with? And I was like, I can't find anybody to go with me, so I'm going by myself. She's like, you'll be all right. That's how my mom is, you know? She's like, you'll be all right. So I got online, I booked my ticket, and the special was $500, but it was like a Friday, and I had to leave Saturday or something like that. It was like real quick.
Wow, that was fast.
That was fast, right?
Yeah.
So, man, got on the plane, went to Jamaica, and Nigel, let me tell you, as soon as I got off that plane, I could feel something, like I was home, like I was where I was supposed to be. It was
like you've been there before. Or,
no, I felt like that when I was in your house for the first time, like I had been there before. No, the feeling that I had whenever I got off that plane and I smelled the air, and y'all know what I'm talking about. If you've been to Jamaica, you know what that air smells like. So fresh, and you can, it's like a melody. You can hear the music and the people moving about, and it's just like a symphony of just smells and colors and sounds, and it's just amazing. And I was just like, oh yes. I was like, I'm home. I'm here. I'm finally home.
Wow.
I dreamed of that place from the time I was a little kid living in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And it wasn't even specifically Jamaica. It was just that feeling, that vibration,
feeling,
right?
That energy.
Right, and I felt it, and I was
that's
like...
what you felt when you landed on the plane.
Right.
When you landed, when you get off the plane.
Right, when I landed, that was how I felt.
Yeah.
And then,
wow, that's beautiful.
man, then we drove to Negril. The driver, it was a little, not a taxi, but, well, it was a taxi, but it was a van. So the van took me to Negril. I got to Negril Beach Club. The bus. So I got to Negril Beach Club and put down my suitcase, put on my bathing suit. I went out to the water, and my breath was taken away on that 7 Mile beach. I was like, whoa. I was like, oh my God. I was like, this is real. Like, I felt like I had just stepped into a dream.
Wow.
Like I had stepped into, like, I was like, am I awake? What is this? And then, I saw, and then people were saying, oh, welcome home. Hello, sister, welcome home. I was like, oh my God, they know me. They know I'm supposed to be here. So then I saw all these black people in the water. I saw them all swimming, and swimming since I was 6 years old. I never was I never was in any places where I would see a lot of black people swimming in the ocean. And here I was like, oh my God, my tribe is here. Wow. And I walked down to the edge of the water, and I put my feet in, and I felt electrified. And I said a prayer right then and there. I said a prayer. I said, Father, if you want me to be here, tell me what to do. I'll walk it out. If it's your will for me to be in Jamaica, to live in Jamaica, I'll walk it out. I'll do whatever. I'm willing to sacrifice. Because see, we have dreams and we have aspirations and we have things, but are we willing to sacrifice? And I learned early on that there's a payment to be paid. There's a token to be paid for any big thing in your life. You can't just, wake up and have everything. No, what are you willing to give up? What are you willing to give up? And sometimes you have to give up yourself. And I surrendered at that moment. I said, I'm all yours. Use me. Use me in this place. If it's your will for me to be here, let me be. So I was there for like 4 days. So then I'm sitting on the beach. I better get moving. Yeah. So then I'm sitting on the beach. I think it was my second. Hey, so I think it was my second day. Ride and whistle, right?
Yeah.
So I'm sitting there crying. So I think it was my second day. And this guy comes up, Peter comes up with this book. He's like, oh, would you like to go on a trip? I was like, no. He was like, you can go to the weed farm and go to the river. The tour guide, he showed me all these pictures. I was like, no. I only came here for the beach. That's all I want. I'm a beach girl. In case you guys don't know that about me, I'm a full-on beach girl from my Pittsburgh days of growing up in the snow.
Yeah, in your dream.
So Peter finally talks me into it. I was like, I'm not getting on any big buses. I'm not doing anything that has to do with crowds. He's like, no, man, there'll be no crowds. It'll be a small group of people. So I was like, all right. So they picked me up like in a couple hours and we went to Roaring River. Went to Roaring River. No, we went to Mayfield Falls. And wow, it was incredible. It was incredible. So, went to Mayfield Falls, and I really was just amazed with the place, and I had a really good time. And so anyway, the 4 days was over. I went back home and I was done. I sunk into a little bit of a depression. I was just like, I can't stay here in America. I can't live here. I have to go. I gotta go. I just kept walking back and forth in my apartment. Huh?
You wanted more of what you saw, of what you felt.
Yeah, but I didn't want to go on another vacation. I was like, I gotta go.
You wanted to be
I gotta go live there. It's my destiny. I gotta go. I remember I was held up in my apartment. I wasn't on lockdown. I was held up in my apartment. For 2 weeks, I walked around in my same dress that I walked on the beach with, and I wouldn't go anywhere. And I just cried and cried. It was just really, really bad. I was just like, what's wrong with me? I mean, I was in the business of motivating people and, taking care of people. And I was just done. I was like, I just can't do anything anymore. I'm done. I gotta go. And so during a 9-month period, I did go back and visit couple of times to Jamaica, to Negril, and then finally I was just like, I can't stop this feeling. I can't shake it. This feeling of having to live there. So then I sold all my stuff. I told everybody I was out, and I even had half of my apartment empty, and then I changed my mind. I was like, okay, I'm not going. I'm just gonna stay here. What's wrong with me? It could be dangerous, and what am I gonna go do? I didn't know why I was being called so strongly to Jamaica. I had no idea.
It was me calling you.
It was you calling me. But I didn't know, then when I was in California, I didn't know. And I was just like, so I had sold half of my stuff. Tammy remembers, a lot of people, Nitra remembers. I had sold almost all my stuff in my beautiful apartment on Ocean Boulevard. It was so fabulous. And then I stopped. I was like, okay, I'm not going. You know, everybody's right. I shouldn't go. They're right. And then I got depressed again. I got depressed to the point where I didn't even want to get out of the bed.
Because you really wanted to go.
Well, it wasn't even me. It was just like, it was a calling. And when you're called, a call is a call is a call is a call. Your mama can't stop you. Your daddy can't stop you. No, your church can't stop you. Because I even had mentioned it to my church, and they're like, oh. You know, you're going there. Oh. So, man, I'm glad I was obedient. See, that's another thing. You have to be willing to sacrifice, and you have to be willing to be obedient. And people always say to me, oh, you're lucky, this and that. I'm not lucky. I'm not lucky at all. In fact, when I go to Vegas, Nitra can tell you, my mom can tell you, my sister, and Melva, all of them can tell you, I'm the least luckiest person in Vegas and all of that. I go for the pools and the food. Right? So, you know, it's not luck. It's just, I understand some core principles, and that's discipline, courage, and the willing to sacrifice, whew, and to be obedient, you know. I mean, we all get the same messages. Not the same messages, but we all get messages. You know that feeling when you hear something, you're like, in your spirit, where it's like, okay, you need to do this. But then your other mind sits and says, oh, no, you're not good enough. Oh, no, you're not smart enough. Oh, no, you're not cute enough.
The first one is, you think you can do this? You really think you can do it?
Right, you really think you could do this? So all those voices come in, but see, I listened to the voice. I did like this. I stopped myself from moving, and then all of a sudden I was like, man, I can't quiet this noise in my head that's saying go. Yeah. I can't quiet it down no matter what I do, you know. And everybody, there were so many people, oh my God, there were so many people telling me that I was crazy. But doesn't that always figure? Anything that great that you do, isn't it always like not crazy? It has to be crazy. It has to be bonkers, right? Yeah. So yeah, man. So then
that's why they have the term mad scientist.
Right.
I would think.
Right.
I don't know if that's what it sounds, you know.
So I was halfway through selling all the stuff, and I stopped. I was about to turn back. I was like, you know, they're right. I don't need to go. And then all of a sudden, after not getting out of the bed for like 2 weeks, week and a half, something like that, the voice just told me, you need to go and don't look back. You're going to be okay. And I had my mama's blessing. My mama said, girl, she's like, you need to go. Go do this. You're never going to be as young as you are today. Let that one sink in. You're never going to be as young as you are today.
Right now.
Right now. Right this minute. Oh, another minute went by.
It's not a second.
Another second, yeah. Click, click, click.
Yep.
So my mother was encouraging me, and people like Nitra and Melva and Leah, and, you know, and there was other people that they were pretty pissed at me. They were like, you know. But anyway, so I was like, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So I finished selling everything, sold my car, sold everything. And then this time, 10 years ago, I got on that flight. It was 9 years, right. 9 years ago today. Yeah, 9 years ago today, I just got on that flight. And man, I got on that flight with everything that I owned, had sold, gave away or gifted everything else. Just had a few black suitcases, my pretty white Coach purse, and yeah. And I went.
You have to use more red and more green.
Yeah. And I left. I went. And I tell you what, I've never regretted it. And don't get it twisted. If you know me, you know I had some rough days in Jamaica. That's right. But like the phoenix, I too shall rise.
Rise from the ash.
Rise from the ash, right?
Yep.
So,
Rebirth and transfigurate yourself. Rise and come again.
Rise and come again.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Every time.
All right, well, guys, we're going to go. Thank you for being with us today. And remember, visit our site for every order of $10 or more today. You're going to get one of our free lime and a coconut bath bombs. Mix it all up. We put the lime in the coconut.
That's your mom's son. There we go.
Okay, we're back. Okay. All right. Ha ha. Look at this. This is fun,
cool.
huh?
Yeah, it's cool looking.
I'm only thinking about doing that after the 10 minutes. Sell it all and go to Jamaica. Hey, Tammy. Hey. Anything is possible, sister.
Yeah, man.
Anything is possible.
Sky's the limit.
Sky's the limit, my girl.
Yeah, man.
Yep. No regrets. No regrets. No regrets. All right, y'all. We'll see you next time. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for listening to the story. I don't think I've ever even told that on film, huh? So thank you, guys. We appreciate you being with us. Make sure you visit our site today and
Get a free bath bomb.
get a free bath bomb today.
Yeah, man.
Okay, that's our new lime and the coconut, and mix it all up. So lime and coconut, yes.
Mix it all up.
And mix it all up.
Wow. Well, let me see that one there. Nice.
Isn't that cute?
Mix it all up.
And mix it all up.
Ooh.
Ooh, I should make all of them like that.
Wow.
So
That's cool.
if you've never tried our bath bombs, they're 100% vegan. They're made with baking soda, cornstarch, citric acid, and of course they're all loaded with Nigel's. And there's Nigel. Nigel. They're loaded with Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, which is wonderful if you have any kind of dry skin or extra dry skin or eczema or anything like that. So, all right, you guys. Thanks again for being with us.
Jessica.
Come around, Nigel, so they can see your face, man. You know they love your handsome face. He gets embarrassed.
What's wrong with you, girl?
Come on.
All right, guys. Yeah, man. Thank you for being with us. One love.
Bye-bye.
Love and harmony.
My glove can't hit it. You got to do it.
Yeah, all right, guys. Take care.